welcome to Shuntrel's Inspirations with Tasty Sensa. Today I will be showing you how to make shrimp fried rice. First, you will need a wok with olive oil. Then you will need 6.5 cups of cooked rice, 2 cups of cooked shrimp, a half a cup of peas, 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, 1/8 cup of soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 cup of cooked eggs, and 1/3 cup of chopped onions. First, you heat the grease on medium until heated, and you stir in your rice. Now, if you don't hear it quite sizzling as loud as you like, you can allow it to heat up more. And right now we're going to turn up this heat a little bit more to medium high. You can hear it sizzling now. Now you continue to pour your rice into your wok. Separate the rice evenly so it don't begin to stick. Gradually add the rest of the rice and do the same. Discard of dirty dishes into a clean sink of dishwater and bleach. You stir your rice as it begins to fry until all of the rice has been evenly stir fried. Now, if you want some tips, you can pre-season your rice with whatever you like, I don't know, garlic powder, any brand will do. Continue to stir this for about 3 minutes. 5 if you want it a little bit browner. But the whole idea is just to get it through the grease and have it singed. Then you add your Worcestershire sauce and your soy sauce to the mixture. Continue to stir until your rice is all colored evenly. This will take about 1.5 minutes. This is a lot of work, a lot of stirring, and those of you who out there who have carpal tunnel, you can take a break if needed. Next, you want to add your peas. Add your peas, pre-cooked. Add your onions. Then you can add your carrots. Now you can see that your rice is starting to have a variety of color that's bright, and the aroma smells great. Next, you want to add your shrimp, pre-cooked shrimp, and continue to stir. Make sure your shrimp is evenly distributed throughout the rice, as well as your vegetables, carrots, and onions. Lastly, you will add your half a cup, which is 2 eggs, cooked in the mixture. You can also pre-season your eggs as you whisk them with garlic, salt to give your rice more flavor. Continue to stir. Make sure you get the bottom of the wok as well so that you don't have any stuffed rice. And this is how you prepare shrimp fried rice. You have a serving dish. And you can add more soy sauce to suit your taste. And this is Sean's shrimp fried rice. YouTube. Come back with more recipes. Have a blessed day.